We go.
East Central Montgomery County in western Arkansas until 3:45 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Myers, or 15 miles east of Mount Ida, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hit damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding. Location, Path 50, Myers, Piney in Garland County, Hot Springs National Park, Royal, Crystal Springs Landing, Sunshine, Perky, Crystal Springs.